Hi guys, welcome back to my page. Please share, like, and subscribe for more videos of Choro and other 164 scale model cars. Guys, I have another Choro here. In my previous video, there are three brands of pickup truck of Choro the, that I post. And this one is a vintage Toyota Hilux Choro. It's a hobby car, number A-7, and it's a Hilux, Toyota Hilux, made by Takara, Japan, guys. As you can see, it's a vintage one, the early release. So I made some detailed paint like the headlights, guys, and the signal light, which the one is white and the one is amber yellow, uh, because what do you call this, I made this truck as a Disney Pixar cars, Todd, the one in the Toy Story, guys. And this one, as you can see, it's a Planet Pizza uh, logo or decal, guys. I just made them uh, and stick them in a double-sided tape, guys. So this is not a permanent one, because I will ruin this vintage Toyota truck if this one is permanent, guys. And this one is only a marker, guys, marker. So I will use alcohol to get rid of this once what they call this once I finish. Anyway, guys, this one are the custom parts that I have made to become a Disney Pixar Todd series. Uh, the 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 eyes were kind of bit ugly, guys, but they are not permanent, guys, again. So I will show you this one, guys, the camper shell, like that, guys. It has only double-sided tape, guys, so it can be removed once I'm finished with this with my car. And this one, guys, it's only insert in the windshield. It's kind of simple, guys, just like that. Ta-da! It's already Disney Pixar cars from the movie. It's Todd, and it's the same as in the movie, guys. It's a Toyota. Oh, then this one is a Toyota Choro, guys. Well, how funny and cute it is, guys. Again, guys, this vintage Hilux from Choro, standard size, made in Japan. And I have made a custom parts to be look-alike as Todd in the Disney Pixar movie cars, guys. With a bumper sticker in the rear, camper shell, white. And the logo of the spaceship in the upper part. And the side, uh, uh, Pizza Planet name on the doors. In the movie, the wheels are black, but uh, it will ruin the paint, guys. The chrome paint if I paint this as a black. So it's okay. Still, it's a look-alike of the Disney movie Cars, guys. The name Todd in there. That's it, guys. Thank you. Please like and subscribe for more videos. And please share it. Thank you very much.